Let's go to Vegas, baby!
I get those goosebumps every time you come around.
We stopped 30 minutes before Barstow, and now I'm gonna drive for 30 minutes. I'll let you guys know what happens.
It was nice knowing you guys.
Just got into a car crash. We're in Chipotle now.
You really thought you ate?
Guess where I'm at? World's largest thermometer. So basically this is located in Baker, and it's a town right before Prim, it's right after the border of Nevada, going like California to Nevada. Basically Baker is also it's like the gateway or entryway to Death Valley. Basically you take Baker and you take like some type of freeway that goes like left, and you'd go more north and like inland, and that's where Death Valley is.
Hey, hi, hello, what's up?
Hey guys, we arrived in the Stratosphere, and I have all my stuff. Got my bag on, shoes in the Tilly's bag, and then my suitcase. And we are staying at the Stratosphere in Las Vegas. We're in the hotel, but we're still waiting because we had to get like special rooms. So we have to just wait a little bit extra to check in because it's still getting clean right now. And it's like gonna be like a 30-minute wait, so I'm just gonna do my makeup here. I have my makeup bag and my cheer bag, and I'm just gonna do it here so I can be ready because we're gonna have to leave like right as soon as we get into our hotel room. So just got into our hotel room and it's mid. I'm opening my suitcase and I'm gonna change. First outfit change of the trip. Ella, I know you commented that how did all that stuff fit in here, and I don't know, but it fit, as you can see. First outfit change. Yeah. This is my dress. It's from PacSun. This is our old hotel room, and that's our view. Like literally. We're working with our hotel room. We're gonna stay one night in our hotel room, and then next night we're gonna be changing to a different hotel room. But right now it is like 7 o'clock, and we're at Macaroni Grill, even though we have one in my town. Whatever, we're gonna eat here, and we're meeting up with my dad's family friends. We parked. We ate food, and it was mid, but I got a good deal. It was 2 for $12. We're in the downtown Las Vegas. It's like right next to Vegas kind of, and this is the place where Fremont is, and basically it's like its own little strip, and it's like all the old Las Vegas hotels. So are you guys excited? Are you excited?
Yes, absolutely.
Good morning, everyone. Today is, I think it's March 28th. This is my fit for today. It's like 9 a.m. I don't know if this looks crazy or not, like if this looks too fancy, but it's Vegas, baby. That's my new motto. I'm saying that a lot. The sleep was okay. Shower, it looks very weird, but it got hot quick, so that was nice. But first we're gonna do an outfit check. So first is, shirt is from Shein, jeans are from Shein, and bracelets are from Ana Luisa. And then my necklace is also from Ana Luisa. I was gonna put my rings on, but I haven't painted my nails yet, so I need to do that too.
Housekeeping, room service, hello,
We're waiting for my dad and my brother right now to get ready because they woke up later. And now we just went up to this tower. Finally figured out the stuff with the hotel room. We're getting a new hotel room, but first we have to wait till it gets cleaned. So right now we're eating breakfast because we did get a $50 comp because just the hotel room was bad yesterday. So we have a $50 hotel comp for anything here at the hotel, and this is called the Strat Cafe. It's just a cafe on the bottom floor of the Stratosphere, and it's really small. Like the menu is really small, but I know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a proper breakfast sandwich, which yeah, that explains it.
Hey, bussy buzz, hey, bussy buzz.
My brother did not eat this pancake because he was complaining a lot, so I ate it and I had strawberry jam and syrup on it. It's really windy. We just got dropped off for my dad because he has to get an oil change for the car. We just got dropped off right next to Treasure Island, and we're just gonna walk along the strip. We see the Palazzano. We're gonna go in there. I don't know. We're gonna go on the vacation. Go to the Italian like canal place. We're gonna go to the M&M World, Hershey World, and then also I don't know what else we're gonna go. This show used to be my shit. Like, I love kickbox.
Material world. And I get it from my mammy bomb main bust down. These hoes can't stand.
We have now left Rome, and now we are going to inside the Mirage. It's very nice right now. What do you think of Las Vegas?
I love it.
What's your favorite hotel?
The Hilton in San Diego.
I just took some pictures with Olaf and SpongeBob. Look at that. Right there. Boop. Boop. We're having PF Chang's. I have a kids lo mein because it's like literally $5. Such a steal. Go to PF Chang's right now and get a kids meal because it's bomb AF. And I have hiccups.
Yeah, your fork's right there.
Anyway, chicken lo mein, rice. She got eggplants with rice, and she got veggie lo mein. And he had to send in his food because he wanted more food.
Stop.
We're going into my favorite place ever in Las Vegas, M&M World. $8.50 for a half a pound. This is a half a pound. So we're about to do our last stop, which is Hersheyland. My phone's about to die, so hopefully I get some content for you guys. I'm finally back. My phone died. I was in Hershey World. It literally died midway, so that sucks. But I'm in a new little bathroom. We changed our rooms and then it got cleaned. And then we finally moved in after the whole day. And yeah, this is the nice bathroom. Way nicer. So much more counter space, like holy moly. And the hotel room looks better. And also we're on like a higher level, so we have a better view of the area. So yeah, today was a crazy day. We literally, first we went to, first we got dropped off at Treasure Island, then we walked into Palazzano, and we walked into the Venetian too, and then afterwards we walked across and we walked to, the Mirage. Yeah, we walked to the Mirage, and then from the Mirage we went to Caesar's Palace, and after Caesar's Palace we went across again, and then we went to Paris Hotel, and then afterwards we were still trying to find food too, and then we went to Planet Hollywood, and that's where we ate our food, and then after Planet Hollywood we walked down to MGM, and then we crossed the street and we went to New York. Crazy day. Now we're gonna go to this like dance show performance kind of. Okay, so here's my fit because this is all we're doing for tonight. We're not doing anything else. Like, we're not going out, so I don't really need to like take pictures. Sweater is from a shop in, I think, PB, Pacific Beach, for all the non-Californians watching this. And then pants, Shein, and hair cloth, Shein.
If you miss the 5 rules of Club 10, 9, 3, 2, 1.
Not attempt to adjust the volume. We are now controlling transmission.
We just finished this show and now we are at McDonald's in the Stratosphere because there's a little plaza place.
Major bag alert, major bag.
Eating my food. French fries. I have barbecue sauce and ketchup.
Okay.
My last piece of chicken nugget. I got a 6-piece. I'm reading my second part of this book, This Summer I Turned Pretty, and it's called It's Not Summer Without You by Jenny Han. It's going pretty well.
Grab this girl with